When it comes to computers, you can never have too much security. That's something I strongly believe, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a complete list of Windows security features and settings that you should enable right away to make your PC safer. Some of these are built into all versions of Windows, while a few are only available in Windows Pro editions. Don't worry, I will point that out so you will know what applies to your system. By the end of this video, you will know about sandboxing, exploit protection, ransomware defenses, encryption, and more. I will also give you tips on which features are optional and which I recommend turning on immediately. Let's start strong with one of my personal favorites, Windows Sandbox. This feature is available in Windows 10 Pro and Windows 11 Pro, and is basically a built-in virtual machine that lets you run suspicious apps in a safe environment. To enable it, click on the Windows search icon. Search for 10 Windows features on or off. Click on it once it pops up. From the list, scroll down and then check the box for Windows Sandbox. And if it doesn't work right away, alongside the Windows Sandbox, you should also check the box for Windows Hypervisor Platform. Once you are done, click on OK. Let it install. Then you restart your PC for the installation to complete. Now, when you search for Windows Sandbox, you can open it like any other app. It boots into a fresh, isolated copy of Windows every time. Why is this powerful? Imagine you downloaded a file that looks suspicious. Maybe it's a free utility that you are not sure about. Instead of risking your real PC, you can just right-click on the app. Then you copy and then paste it into the Windows Sandbox. You can also run it there. If it's a malware, it stays contained. If it's safe, great, you can install it on your actual system. And once you close the Windows Sandbox, everything inside it is completely wiped, no traces left. It's like having a disposable PC inside your PC. Next up is exploit protection. This one comes built into Windows security and is designed to block techniques that hackers use to attack your system. To access it, click on the Windows search icon. Search for exploit protection. Click on it to launch it. You will see a list of settings, most of which should be on by default in Windows 11. If you are still on Windows 10, you might need to enable some of these manually. I recommend turning them all on, except force randomization for images, since that one can cause issue with some apps. What does this do? Think of it as a shield for your programs. It prevents malicious code from sneaking into memory or exploiting weak spots in apps. You also notice a tab for per program overrides. Windows can automatically apply stronger protections for apps that support it. Example like Adobe Acrobat, without you needing to tweak anything. Next up is reputation-based protection. Now let's talk about reputation-based protection, a very underrated Windows feature. To find it, click on the search icon and search for reputation-based protection. Once it pops up, click on it to launch it. Here, you will see multiple settings like smart screen, phishing protection. I recommend turning all of them on. What do? They warn you if you download apps that are rarely used, potentially dangerous, or if you land on a phishing site. Even if you don't use Microsoft Edge, Microsoft offers a Defender browser protection extension for Chrome and Firefox. This adds another layer of security on top of what your browser already does. And when Microsoft first launched this feature, it blocked way more phishing attempts than Chrome and Firefox alone. It was catching about 99% of threats at that time. And this is free protection, so why not enable it? Another big one is memory integrity, also called core isolation. To check if you can use it, search for core isolation. Once it pops up, click on it to launch it. Now look for the memory integrity toggle and then turn it on. This feature prevents malicious code from injecting itself into high security process. Think of it like a wall separating trusted and untrusted memory. Now, some PCs might not support it, especially if you have older drivers or certain hardware. If it's available, turn it on. If not, no worries. Let's move on to something super important. If you use a laptop, BitLocker drive encryption. If your laptop is ever lost or stolen, BitLocker ensures that your files are completely unreadable without your password or recovery key. To enable it, search for Manage BitLocker. Click on it to launch it once it pops up. Now choose the drive you want to encrypt and then click on Turn BitLocker on the right side of the drive. Next, choose how you want to unlock this drive. Either you use password to unlock the drive or use a smart card to unlock the drive. So if you prefer to use a password, check the box for use a password to unlock the drive. Then you enter your password. Next, re-enter your password. Then you click on Next. Make sure you back up your recovery key in multiple places. You can either print it, save it to your Microsoft account, and keep a secure offline copy. Without that key, you cannot recover your files if something goes wrong. So you choose how you want to back up your recovery key, whether you save it to a file, print the recovery key, save to a USB flash drive, or save it to your Microsoft account. You choose any of them. Then you click on save, then you click next. Then you maintain encrypt use disk space only, then you click on next. Then you choose compatible mode, then you click on next. Then you click on start encrypting. For desktops, BitLocker is less critical but still useful if you store sensitive data. Another helpful feature is Find My Device. If you are using a laptop and misplace it, this can help you locate it through your Microsoft account. To enable it, search for Find My Device. Click on it to launch it once it pops up. Now you sign in with your Microsoft account and then you turn it on. Now to turn it on, click on Sign in with your Microsoft account, and under Account Settings, click again on Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Do this to turn this feature on. Just like with smartphones, this increases your chances of recovering your laptop if it's ever stolen or lost. Finally, let's talk about Controlled Folder Access, a ransomware protection feature. To enable it, search for ransomware. Once it pops up, click on Ransomware Protection. Now turn on Controlled Folder Access. Then you click on Yes to continue. What this does is block unauthorized apps from modifying your personal folders like documents, pictures, music, and videos. For example, if a ransomware tries to encrypt your documents, it will be stopped cold. The downside, it can be annoying sometimes. Even harmless apps like Notepad might get blocked until you manually allow them. That's why this one comes down to personal preference. If you want maximum protection, enable it. If you hate constant pop-ups, maybe skip it. Even enabling just a few of these can make your PC much harder to hack, infect, or steal data from. So, go through these one by one and decide which one makes sense for you. If this video helped, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a security upgrade. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next one.